How to keep your car clean. Keep trash cans in your cars to collect the litter. Maintain a car kit with all the necessary items like bug spray, sunscreen, wet wipes, etc. To keep multiple items in your car's trunk, go for an expandable organizer with multiple compartments. Clean your air vents with a dust foam at alternate intervals of time. Keep napkins in the glove department. You can use a carpet cleaner to wash off the stains from the seat covers. Keep an air freshener in your car to get rid of the stinky odor when necessary. Thank you for watching. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.